That's what happens when you go off the trail. I hurt my foot. I'm not sure how bad, but it hurts. This is sweet. Beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. It just doesn't get much nicer than this. Unbelievable. Just remarkable. Look at this. Can you believe this? That's a trail we just came from. Is that remarkable? I can't even drive fast. I gotta just suck in this view. Gosh. Unbelievable. This trail is awesome too. Big freaking gnarly rocks. Oh yeah, sweet, beautiful view. Look at this, switchback. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Paradise. Oh, there's a big stream. Shit, do we get through that? I guess so. That looks like a beaver dam. Keep going. Keep going.
Got a nice technical wood section, my favorite, nice single track. Let's go. Gotta keep you on your toes. Especially in sections like that. There's Dad up there. Nice tree right there, you gotta dodge. Really tight right here. Oh wow, that's fun. Oh, it's nice and tight right here. Jeez. Nice downhill section. Turns into a tight right-hander. Wow, this is getting deep. Pretty crazy. Woo! Right on the side of a cliff. Don't look down. Rough section right here. Really steep. Woo! Now look at this here. Where does the trail even go? I think it goes right. I think maybe over here. got through a nice, steep, gnarly uphill.
Here we are, we're going to go on what on my map is the 19th trail, but here it's the 18th trail and Willow Creek trail. So should be interesting. Wow, this is beautiful. This is so cool. Oh yeah, beautiful trail so far. This is actually my first time dirt biking, or 3 days ago was, since I had my injury. And I broke my severed 3 AC tendons, which are the tendons that hold the shoulder blade to the collarbone, which I never knew even existed. And when you sever them, your whole shoulder blade drops down to the middle of your back just about. And I thought I broke my collarbone. And I only mention it because my shoulder is for the first time bugging me a bit since we've been on this trip. Not bad. That injury was 6 months ago, so apparently it's a pretty long recovery. Tendons take longer to heal than bones do. Oh yeah, that was pretty cool. Beautiful, look at that. That is gorgeous. Just beautiful. Oh! Oh! Wow, this is so cool. Oh,
Again. Let's get it. Entered that in second gear and it costed me. Wow. Now that's crazy. One fall. Caught up to Dad. See how he does. Got through that collection section cleaner than I did. Wow.
Whoa.
That's the only way I could have got speed, and you're in my way.
Well, here we are, day 4 of our trip, and we are moved camp spots to this spot next to this beautiful stream. Here we are, and we are about to go 140 to 142. Should be a nice trail. It's a combination of blue and single diamond, and then if we feel like, we'll try a little double diamond. But nice campsite here. First day we did that 022 trail, which was really a challenging trail, really grown in. That second day we did the 050 trail, which is a really wonderful trail, but maybe a little boring. On the way back we did that single track, I forget the name of that trail. Then yesterday we did White Willow Creek. That was a great trail. That's when Michael decided to break his toe. So today it's just going to be Hunter and I, and hopefully Michael will be joining us again tomorrow. Sore toe a bit, and that's it. That's our update. See you on the trail. Wow. This is the 145 trail right now, called Rooks Creek. trail, and this is the beginning. Wow, it's pretty challenging already. Damn, where the hell does it go? Wow, that's some start, huh?
This is the trail that guy was explaining.
This is not that trail.
No, this is the past the mudslide point. He said it was so rocky in the beginning and all that.
Gosh, this is crazy. And this is just the beginning. And this is not the diamond part yet.
This is the trail that guy was explaining.
Lost that trail. It looks like we found it, so I don't know what that was over there, but this certainly has got to be it. So far, started a little bit challenging, but it's been really sweet now. I love those stream crossings. They're cool. Small, but still. Splash up a little water, cool you off. Just enough. It's like this bike's got air conditioning. So we're right now at about 7,000 feet. And right now not really climbing too much, but soon will be. It's a beautiful trail, really beautiful trail. Wow. Wonder how many people have turned off by the beginning of this thing. Oh, the thing you got to be really careful with is getting your feet stuck or hit with a rock that's kind of hidden or a log on the trail that you don't expect. Trying to be real careful about that. Well, so far, this may be my favorite trail. Love it. Whoa, that was a nice climb. Breath real quick. That's exactly how you want to do it. Fuck. So hard. the uphill part of the bike, it's so steep you keep tearing your foot off of the peg, so you gotta keep your foot kind of in the air or really light on the peg so you don't hurt it. That was pretty gnarly. I don't know if you can appreciate it on the GoPro. That's the unfortunate. Now we're straight, I guess. Gosh, you guys in Idaho are spoiled. Spoiled. Damn, this is amazing. Just don't tell anybody, so I can come back and it's not destroyed. You notice there's no litter anywhere. Oh, look at that, look at that. Look how steep that is. Guess I lost that. Where's he? Not easy. What? Not easy. So this is pretty steeply angled, as you can see. My bike's down there. I'm gonna grab it and try to take it out, but as I was coming down here, I gunned it, lost the rear end, but I got scared because I saw that log and I said I gotta get some speed to jump it. But there's actually a detour through the stream, which we're going to try right now. And Hunter needs a place to turn his bike around, so I gotta try to get out of here. A big hole over here. Can't even walk on this, it's so steep. Yeah. Yeah. Flat. Yeah, I love that. Nature's air conditioning at work now. Oh, stalled it. Beautiful flowers, huh? Just gorgeous. Look at that. Nature's florist. Nature's air conditioning. Beautiful flowers, huh? Just gorgeous. Look at that. Nature's florist. Nature's air conditioning. This is what we're contending with now to continue on.
Hold it so it doesn't fall.
And doesn't go that way.
What do we do about this? Honestly, we can actually move it. It's not too big.
We just got Hunter through that insane section. Now it's my turn. I think I'm too tired to do it. It's so freaking steep.
I feel like
No, I don't think I should kill it. I think I have more control here.
Get off the side of the bike. That's what I did, remember? It's a lot of weight to try holding up, Dad. Oh. All right.
You okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Peg right to the knee.
So beautiful. So worth it, I guess. Oh, look at that. Oh, shit, I gotta keep my eye on the trail. So hard though. At least I'm not texting and driving. The florist came before we came, set everything up. Not bad. And look at that. Look at that! Oh my gosh! I can't even freaking drive. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Incredible. Incredible. Isn't that freaking insane? Oh my god. This is the 147 trail. But I think it's the 142 according to the Bill Dart map. Look at this. How beautiful. Look at this. Here we're continuing to climb. We're getting high. Look at that. That's beautiful. Now purple flowers all over. Before they were I don't know, violet or something. Wow, look at this. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Eagle. What? What?
Flipped it into neutral, guys. That was pretty dumb. Jeez. Thanks, Dad.